Hey everyone, HTVRONT sent me this awesome new hat heat press. I love making my own hats, but going around the curves of it always makes it really hard. So let's open up this box and see what's inside because I'm super excited. All right, we've got our instruction manual. Perfect. Love it that it has pictures in it. I'm a picture kind of person. And then it's got this great little bag that we can hold everything in. So storage is not an issue. All right, then we're gonna pull out these other bags, set them aside, and get the big old box out of the way. In this first bag, this is where the heating element and the rest for the heating element are in, and we'll look at that in just a moment. This other one, I was like, what is this? This is the hat form. So this is the foam that you put on the dome to help hold your hat in place and help get that perfect curve around it with the hat heat press. So it's really dense and firm. I think this is gonna be perfect. All right, so let's open up the other one because I'm super excited. There's two latches on either side. We're gonna open this up and we've got everything packaged on the inside. And I don't know about you, but I love it when cords already have the wrap keeper on it. Like, to me, that's just a win. So I love having that little feature. We'll get this all unwrapped and then we're gonna take a look at what's inside the bag. Ta-da, here it is. So it's got the logo on the front and then all the controls are up on the handle. I am so excited to play with this. So see how it fits perfectly around that dome. So it's gonna fit perfectly over the curve of that dome. I love it. I cannot wait to play with this. Thank you so much, HTVRONT, for this new hat heat press. I can't wait to use it and I can't wait to show you how to use it, which makes me even more excited.